simple but equally delish. We no ebia pe bibi kakra ubeyama efie and also their party pack lunch and also say university for if you know about weekend no more kona pe bibi ahihom ni mama mom de akoshe ho say beya omkondo fi ombedia recipe we for ntino obetumi afren say chocolate crunch and now say chocolate tart send your person offering dia enye bibi too rich. They're very filling, a simple recipe, send them can buy equally delicious. And today I has say a plain flour. Over to me you sue 50-50. Self-raising flour and as a plain flour. We say 600. So and I may some may sugar and I has say sugar no but me you sue equal amount but me day 250 and I may day to wear 600 weigh 250. Yempese be de bebre and now we nkosua miensa again nkosua no optional ubetumi de aka ho what they ka ho a wo chocolate tart na crunch no enye dindindin we free mu abon se be more firm e be din kakra and no need difference wo but we need the mouth enye chocolate cake as in rich but it won't say ma emwa ka na we cocoa powder me patcho enye sweetened cocoa powder we de si chire bie nim nyonyo no eno ni cocoa powder so good for you ntimesraw adwuma no me ne mo na nto ya no paprika kra na nyoma m de cho na so research wo so am de bebo anu we su de mo awo no na we yes na me wo orange extract kakra wa ha lemon extract kakra na me wo nutmeg ya de isuki tuwe okay, into the I say orange extract and lemon extract and I win so a nutmeg and no a to taste into kakranka. Me wa margarine babe isu. Na margarine no me per 500 grams into we container we na 500 grams into na man teteno. For margarine be our pe. So butter so abetumi isu butter. Okay, Yeba sonne ya nioma na so ba ansa na yeba sonne me betete batay na ya melt na akoyi. Enti no wa question bia na wo de aba. Enti wo be melt o butter no but menye ne hyehyehye o baby ennoa obu a me can melt ya na wo noa no. Anti pa cho bomodia na sonne bibia wo yeso. You see here, mommy. Now do cocoa powder. Maybe I can't. One, ya bon say na. Ebi wa ha wo bomu na waka. Ayi. Apono. No waka. Auntie melt ba battery okay. Oh. Yami sure will be a well recommended channel my obinso. Yeah, damas. Cocoa powder ni Asia. Ti amfa de esichire wo mo nya de ye de hot chocolate no. And melty fully. But on se meja kakra wo because me pese e beche. And they say I'm a nutmeg me fa be a teaspoon, right? Me di mani ene susu ene kitwe bi. Na sones pepus. Ajo fa so to taste kitwe bi. Ema bon se anuncio be. Inti ye melted butter no eni into melt ya and I say margarine na me use na say me 2 tablespoons vanilla extract eni fegu bibi e liquid bia no de begu ase na orange extract no me di tire na isusu o di tire baako orange yeah The kitwebi. Now my flavoring ahead. Nothing. What day was it your no? Na de ko. Ayi na me ye na dose no beka say bi esha into sugar no. Me dia me yisu no kura esha. Opesa odi bi ka ho. Wait me dia ka. Why me say yeah ka. Me yisu castor sugar. Wait me yisu granulated sugar no. So normal one adidi cocoa bibia no. No why oh makes me say now for say ade a na ehia mpacho ma horo me nsa de da na don sa ahye mu say odi hye mu say na se enhyew enya warm kra eye asa na do eke na don sa ne hye mu say na I said de mfa ngosia ne meka ho ansa.
That's right.
Me de me ngosia no eni emi ensa no aka bibia fra say ya afi na de o flour mix no cocoa powder no and plain flour no na de ko me baba so oven we saw me oven up to 170 uzo ye bake and they be a make preheat to oven no until first one na de enti abusia for mixel so Ghana na pehe enti am de ade a so mu anchi say ya me nsa enhyewa de pa twa bi akwa akodu na nse na delays kakraba ti me pa cho ofre ye business number ye 07519296911 na baby a wo bia no ye de bedro ye Ghana number no so ye ko ya me bo acho se be ya nsa e be kin white chocolate fa ade bia a wo pe nti fa so share egu bowl me ba sa na ne akeke.
Okay.
Me usually we there me use other bowls.
We use about 35 minutes.
Okay. And you know, over skewer, we crunch into no she ni mu dear but say be ya bia wadwene mu be ya o clear. So I come. Na njo kakra. Na menye. Be yi function kakra. Tunya botela ya na it take time kakra. Na tunya botela. Nti say me ya no. Nti we release dodo na afi so. Dodo no na afi onsa. Do you get me?
I get you.
Or you don't get it?
I get it.
And we said that if you can't get it, then hey, mama, me fancy change. Who's it looking nice?
Yeah.
So beautiful. Mienza.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I warm na. Ututwa no a. Ema upeja na ejoa so I be more fair man na chese. Aye easy ama. Na yankono mienza so hasi. abusuafoɔ ɛsɛ nea ayɛ akɔnɔ ankasa so ahanti mesoro yɛ bi ma me wate simple recipe but equally delicious.